Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can upload product videos on Wayfair. Product videos is a great way to showcase your product and it helps customer to make up insiding and purchasing decision. It also helps to showcase the product benefits, key features and highlight all the attributes that a product have. If you are a Wayfair seller, adding product videos can boost your sales. And the good news is it is very easy to do. So in this video, I'll show you how you can upload product videos and I'll give you the step-by-step process. So let's get started. First, log into your Wayfair partner account. Then from the product option, click on the product management option. Now on the screen, you can see search option. In the search option, you can search your product by SKU or Wayfair SKU. Now click on your product, then you can see the image and video option. Now click on the image and video option, you can see the image and video upload box. Simply browse the video from your file or drag the video on the box. After processing your video will be uploaded. Okay, now you can upload your product videos on Wayfair using this method. But Wayfair will review your product videos for 72 hours. But if you see that after 72 hours your videos are not published on Wayfair product detail page, then you can create a ticket and contact with the Wayfair customer support. They will help you and publish your videos. But before that, there are few guidelines that you might have to follow because otherwise your product videos won't be uploaded on the Wayfair product detail page. So let's go to the screen and I'll show you what are the guidelines for Wayfair product video uploading. Okay. Actually, the product video format is a very important thing that you have to follow according to the Wayfair guideline. So the preferred aspect ratio will be 16:9. Acceptable formats are 3GP, AAC, MP4, FLV, MOV or MEG2. Save thumbnails as JPG or PNG. And there are some industry creative standards that you also have to follow, like keep videos to no longer than 1 minute in length, crop in for close-ups whenever possible. Videos with close-up faces outperform these with the medium wide crop. Pop-up graphics and text help the video resonate even when watched videos are soundless. Bright, eye-catching color for set design and color correction are a must. Videos with talent outperform where videos with no talent will never outperform. A clear and large opening thumbnail is more appealing and convenience the viewers to watch. So now you know how to upload product videos on Wayfair. Also follow the guideline that I shared with you to get the video published on Wayfair product detail page. Also you can check out our website, that is www.ecomclips.com. You can also mail us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference if you need any further assistance or help. Also, we have a 24/7 customer support phone number that will pop up in anywhere in this screen. So just call us and get your appointment now. Thanks for watching. Keep selling. A peace.